watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Pine cones are often associated with winter decor, but they can be a fantastic addition to your fall decorating as well. These natural elements bring warmth and texture to any setting, and with a little creativity, you can transform them into stunning fall decorations. Whether you want to make simple centerpieces or more elaborate arrangements, pine cones offer endless possibilities. Let's explore some wonderful ways to use pine cones for your fall decor. Wood slice centerpiece with pine cones. Arrange pine cones on a wood slice and add thin twigs and a candle in the center. This natural, rustic display brings a cozy, warm feel to any table setting, making it perfect for fall. Pine cone and fall gourd centerpiece. Fill a wooden box with pine cones, fall leaves, berries, and fall gourds, then add some candles. This bold centerpiece adds a burst of fall colors and textures to your table. Bleached lantern with pine cone votive holders. Create an elegant centerpiece by pairing a bleached lantern with pine cone votive holders. This combination adds a soft, warm glow to your coffee table, perfect for cozy autumn evenings. White wooden bowl with pine cones and gourds. Use a white wooden bowl and fill it with red leaves, pumpkins, pine cones, and gourds. This natural decoration brings a touch of autumn indoors with its warm and inviting colors. Fall decoration in a wooden bowl. Create a fall decoration using a wooden bowl filled with pine cones, white fall pumpkins, green balls, and pale leaves. This mix of textures and colors adds a simple yet stylish fall touch. Natural fall centerpiece with pine cones and nuts. Combine pine cones, fall leaves, nuts, acorns, and fall-colored candles to create a natural autumn centerpiece. This decoration brings the beauty of the outdoors inside. Pine cone and birch centerpiece on a wood slice. Place pine cones and birch pieces on a wood slice for a rustic fall centerpiece. Surround this natural arrangement with small branches and add some candles for a warm, seasonal look. Elegant fall table decor with gilded pine cones. Use a burlap table runner and add gilded pine cones, gold mercury glass candle holders, and gilded pumpkins. This setup is perfect for a fall party or Thanksgiving dinner. Simple pine cone dish centerpiece. Arrange pine cones in a simple dish to create a charming centerpiece that can last from autumn through winter. It's an easy and versatile decoration that fits any style. Fall mantle decor with pine cones and pumpkins. Decorate your mantle with berry branches, white pumpkins, wheat, and pine cones. This combination on a rough wood mantle adds a rustic touch to your fall decor. Woodland fall centerpiece with evergreens and pine cones. Fill a dough bowl with evergreens, various pine cones, and antlers for a woodland-inspired fall centerpiece. This arrangement brings a touch of the forest to your home. Stylish fall bowl with pine cones and pumpkins. Use a white bowl and fill it with pine cones, mini pumpkins, and pillar candles in the center. This simple yet elegant fall centerpiece fits well with any decor style. Tall glass vase with pine cones and citrus slices. Fill a tall glass vase with fall berries, nuts, pine cones, and dried citrus slices for a colorful and aromatic fall decoration or centerpiece. Wood tray centerpiece with pine cones and pumpkin. Create a simple fall centerpiece with a wood board, pine cones, and a pumpkin in a woven tray. This easy-to-make decoration adds a cozy touch to any space. Plate centerpiece with pine cones and cherries. Use a chic plate to create a centerpiece with pine cones, cherries, and a pillar candle. This fresh and unique decoration adds a pop of color to your fall table. Glass display with gilded pine cones and lights. Fill a large glass container with gilded pine cones and string lights for a glamorous fall centerpiece that glows beautifully in the evening. Bright wooden bowl with greenery and pine cones. Fill a wooden bowl with greenery, berries, pumpkins, and pine cones for a bright and natural autumn centerpiece that brings the colors of the season indoors. Natural pumpkin and gourd display. Use a wooden bowl to hold large pumpkins and a white gourd for a simple, all-natural fall decoration. This display is easy to put together and looks great on any table. Pine cone and flower vase arrangement. Fill a glass vase with pine cones, twine, and bright flowers to create a beautiful fall centerpiece. This arrangement is easy to make and adds a splash of color to your decor. Jars with glitter pumpkins, leaves, and pine cones. Fill jars with glitter pumpkins, leaves, and pine cones for a sparkling and easy fall decoration. These jars are perfect for adding a festive touch to any room. Pine cones are a versatile and affordable way to bring the beauty of fall into your home. So gather some pine cones and let your imagination run wild to create cozy, warm, and inviting fall decorations that will make your home feel like a seasonal retreat. Happy decorating!